Hello students, Dr. Rita Bajpayee here. I am HOD, Department of Chemistry, Dr. Jalo Prasad Miss, Government Science College, Mungeli. In previous video, we have discussed about molecular recognition. This is the part of paper 3rd, optional, for inorganic students of 4th semester. In this video, we are discussing about the type of molecular recognition. Let's start. Types of molecular recognition. There are 4 types of molecular recognition. Number 1, spherical recognition. This is by cryptate of metal cations. Number 2, tetrahedral recognition. This is by macrocyclic cryptanes. Number 3, linear recognition. This is by anions. Number 4, multiple recognition. This is by co-receptor molecules. The size of receptor molecule, the size of cavity of receptor molecule, shape of cavity of receptor molecule, shape of molecule, shape of substrate which interact and form supramolecule. It overall depends upon the cavity, size, shape and structure of molecule and interaction of molecule. How they interact, what is the energy, all these informations are collectively called molecular recognition. So according to their size, cavity size of receptor, in which cation or which anion or which substrate molecule fits best and form a stable complex. This is the molecular recognition for different types of different structured molecules. Now we discuss these recognition one by one. Number 1 is spherical recognition. In spherical recognition, alkali metal cations interact with polyethers having 3 main classes. The classes are natural macrocycles having antibiotic property, for example valinomycin. Number 2, synthetic macrocyclic polyethers, these are crown ethers. Number 3, synthetic macrocyclic ligands, cryptanes, and cryptospherins. The ability and selectivity of these complexes depends upon the cavity size of receptor. The cations which fits best into the cavity forms most suitable complex. Macrocycles define a 2-dimensional circular hole while 3-dimensional spheroidal cavity. Alkali and alkaline earth metal cations, lithium, potassium, lithium cation, potassium ion, strontium ion, calcium ion fits best with spheroidal cavity. Macrobicyclic ligand, this is macrobicyclic ligand, and this form cryptate by inclusion of metal cation inside the molecule. The structure are shown in slide. The cryptates show higher selectivity as a function of the size complementarily between the cation and the intramolecular cavity. This is called spherical recognition. The cryptates show higher selectivity as a function of the size complementarily between the cation and the intramolecular cavity. This is called spherical recognition. Cryptanes function as receptor for spherical cation and their special complex station. A large number of aza molecule. Aza molecule means they have nitrogen, sulfur and oxygen. Aza molecule having nitrogen. Macrocycles contain sulfur and oxygen sites. It means heteroatoms. Cycles with heteroatom, different atoms. Macrocyclic cryptanes also synthesized. In this slide, the structure of macrocyclic receptor molecule having XY is equal to ONRS, oxygen, nitrogen, sulfur, and another molecule shows NH, and when the receptor molecule is interact with substrate molecule according to their cavity size. So the spherical recognition is the recognition in which the cation fits best in that cavity when the receptor molecule have cavity size spherical or spheroidal. Now next one is tetrahedral recognition. Tetrahedral recognition by macrocyclic cryptanes. Selective binding of certain tetrahedral substrate by macrocyclic ligand. It may be achieved by positioning 4 suitable binding sites at the corners of a tetrahedron and linking them with 6 bridges. For example, spherical macrocyclic cryptanes which contains 4 nitrogen at the corners of tetrahedron and 6 oxygen at the corners of an octahedron. Ammonium-ion NH4 positive cation selectively binds with tricyclic and bicyclic cryptanes. So, ammonium-ion fits into the cavity of cryptane and is held by a tetrahedral array of NH and hydrogen bonds and by electrostatic interaction with the 6 oxygen. The strong bonding in complex results in an increase pKa for bound NH4 positive by about 6 units. It changes properties of substrate after complexation. It also changes the properties when substrate bind to active enzyme site and to other biological receptor. Overall, in tetrahedral recognition, pre-organization of cryptanes for cation or anion binding and recognition is the result of high connectivity through 4 nitrogen and 6 oxygen. 4 nitrogen form tetrahedron, 6 oxygen in the 6th corner of octahedron. Next one is fixed cavity size. Number 3 is covering binding. So in tetrahedral recognition, NH4 positive ion with hydrogen bonding interaction, it forms cryptane molecule with the tetrahedral recognition, where 4 nitrogen, in that case 4 nitrogen in 4 corner of tetrahedron and 6 oxygen in 6 corner of octahedron. Some more recognition are recognized, in which recognition of neutral molecule by donor receptor and hydrogen bonding interaction. Recognition of neutral molecule. This is by donor receptor and hydrogen bonding interaction. Another one is recognition of anionic substrates by anionic coordination. Now we comes into the linear recognition. So linear recognition, according to their name, linear recognition, it is a special feature of anionic recognition. It is a special feature of anionic recognition by the hexaprotonated form of ellipsoidal cryptane bistrate. Ellipsoidal cryptane bistrate. It shows in molecule, it shows in structure A, and B is the inclusion of this bistrate. So there are two structure. A is cryptane bistrate ellipsoidal molecule, and the B is in which the bistrate and substrate molecule is inclusion compound. This is inclusion compound. Substrate molecule is included in the cavity. This is the cryptane, and the molecule is called cryptane bistrate. It binds various monoatomic and polyatomic anions and extends the recognition of anionic substrate beyond the spherical halide. Strong and selective binding of the linear triatomic anions azide and N3 negative results from its size, shape and site complementarily to the receptor hexaprotonated cryptane bistrate B. Next one is multiple recognition. This is by co-receptor molecule. So what is co-receptor molecule? The co-receptor molecules are those complexes or those molecules having a specific group capable of recognizing different ion or molecule are combined in same macro polycyclic structure are termed as polytopic co-receptor molecule. They have several discrete binding subunits which cooperate for the simultaneous uptake of several substrates or of a multiple bonded polyfunctional species because of multiple recognition and mutual effects of binding subunits. Many examples of multiple recognition. For example, this is very common example, dicobalt complex can carry dioxygen. Next one is cascade type dinuclear copper 2 cryptate of macrocyclic ligand or macrobicyclic ligand containing bridging group imidazoleto, hydroxo or azido shows the coupling between the ions and show relation to dinuclear site of copper protein. In the structure A shows the complex of cryptates of bis copper 1 and B is the tris silver 1. Here some dinuclear cryptates of macrocyclic cryptanes. This is bis tripod chelate macrocycle, bis macrocycle, cylindrical macrocyclic structure, lateral structure, macrobicyclic axial and lateral structure, macrocyclic. The number of dinuclear cryptates of macrocyclic cryptanes, and they form supramolecule with receptor and substrate molecule interaction, and this is the types of molecular recognition is over. So thank you. And the next topic of this unit in the form of PDF. Okay, thank you.